Okay, before we go very far, I forgot my lip care. I use Comics, swear by Comics, love Comics. I forgot the step at the end of the video, so I'll just put it in the beginning so that y'all don't forget. When your skincare is done, apply your lip care. Thank you. Bye. I'm in my pretty boy era, in my dark circle era. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your fave, who you refuse to accept as your fave but is your fave. And in today's video, I'm gonna cover my morning skincare routine. Please don't mind me. My face is a little bit swollen because I had 2 wisdom teeth and another terrible Tim taken out yesterday, so 3 extractions in total. I'm still I'm still in the trenches, child. We're gonna cover my morning skincare routine. Over on Instagram, I did say that I was gonna do a morning skincare plus a Q&A, but I got more than 2 questions, so I figured, hey, I'll make that a separate video, which should be uploaded not too long after this one. Right, by not too long, I mean within 48 hours. Not 4 to 8 hours, 48 hours. Thanks. My lips are dry as shit, damn. Alright, woke up, so it's fine. First things first, we're gonna go in with the White Seed Exfoliating Cleansing Foam from the Face Shop. See, now I gotta expose myself. Why? Gotta pull that back just a little bit. Now that looks like a pre-compulsory era, hun. I'm gonna wet my face first, then start to wash it. Pro tip is, before you start to wash your face, take a little bit of the face wash and wash your hands with it. This ensures that your hands are clean and it's just vibes, okay? You can use soap if you want to, but I'm bougie, so okay. With a wet face, I'm going to take some of that, emulsify it in my hands, pull back my jersey, child. The robe is hiding for today. We're getting no robe action, okay? Okay. One thing I want to say is, please do brush your teeth before you wash your face so that you don't have any residue from your toothpaste left on your face, and that's low-key how you get pimples sometimes. I did say sometimes, not all the time, so don't hold me to nothing. Gently over the side of my face because, child, it's the pits right now. I'm in pain. But luckily, like, my wisdom teeth extraction wasn't as horrible as I thought it would be. But still, the ghetto, child. You scrub your neck and behind your ears when you're bathing. Okay? Okay. Now we're just going to rinse our face. After rinsing, we're back for our second cleanse. I double cleanse standard procedure because I feel like the first cleanse gets rid of residue and breaks down whatever needs to be broken down. And the second cleanse actually cleanses the skin. So consider the first cleanse as your pre-cleanse. So it gets rid of build-up on top of the skin, and the second cleanse cleanses the skin. Circular motions, child. Circular motions. I've mentioned this in my evening skincare video, but this product does contain little particles, so it works like a scrub, although it's gentle enough to be used every day, and I love that. Okay, wash the eyes, and now after washing our eyes, we can rinse. Okay, so after washing our face and drying it off, I put moisturizer on my cotton pad instead of toner. Vibes. I don't always tone in the morning. It really depends on how my skin wakes up feeling. But for today, I will tone. And I don't overtone. I'll just tone once. So taking the Face Shop White Seed Brightening Toner. There was a question about brightening in the Q&A, so I will get to that. But for now, let's just tone the face and let it dry down. Again, with every product, I'll usually let it dry. So toner, I'll let dry. Vitamin C and aloe gel, I will let them sit for about 2 minutes. I wasn't even, okay. Taking my Vita Serene serum from Dr. Belmer. I was saying with vitamins and aloe gel, I will let them sit for about 2 minutes before the next layer. So vitamin/acid, 2 minutes, aloe gel, 2 minutes, lotion. And then in the morning, I will wait 2 minutes before then applying sunscreen. However, for demonstration purposes, I will use my mini fan just to speed things up. After my vitamin complex serum, I'll go in with aloe gel. The combo of vitamin, well, it is a vitamin C based serum, although it's got other vitamins, and aloe gel has really worked wonders for my skin, if I'm honest. My skin isn't like perfect, but I'm very happy with it. Okay. Vitamin C also has so many other benefits, if I'm gonna be frank. After we've vitamin C'd, we've aloe vera'd. Now we're going to moisturize using the white seed brightening lotion. This is from the Face Shop. I'm going to let it dry. I hope it made sense when I mentioned the apply your toner, let it dry, apply your vitamin or your serum, wait 2 minutes, then apply your next serum or your next layer, wait 2 minutes, then your moisturizer 2 minutes, and then whatever's next after 2 minutes again. 2 minutes is the golden rule, okay? It gives your product enough time to relax before you jiggle it about. Jiggle it about? Whatever. Now for the last step in this morning routine, we have got our front runner SPF. Whoever told black people that we don't need sunscreen was lying. They wanted to see y'all lose because your black will crack if you talk smack. Okay? Like, another way to say it is your black will crack if your skincare is whack. I've always said that. Your black will, say it with me, your black will crack if your skincare is whack. Right. That's not to say that you need the most expensive skincare, but you just need to take care of your skin because black don't crack unless you do. Right. Anyway, enough of that rant. As I was saying, SPF, whether it's sunny, cloudy, raining, you need SPF, aka sunscreen. This is the Eco Beyond Eco Daily Defense Mild Family Body Sun in SPF 50. I got this one at the Face Shop and I honestly love it. It does leave a little bit of a white cast. I usually put about that much. So I drew 2 lines on my fingers. But the white cast does disappear like very quickly. Also, if you're scared of hyperpigmentation, make sure you're into SPF because the sun kicks in melanin and melanin kicks in your pigmentation and the line goes down like that. And look at my skin, child. Hello! Hello, it's giving skin. It's giving dark circles, but we're not gonna focus on those. Like, come on. Chelsea, come on now. Like, why are you fronting, Chelsea? Why are you fronting? Come through. I do have some like dark marks, but they're not too bad. I won't complain too much, but yeah, that's it for my morning skincare routine. I will see you guys in the Q&A, which is coming up next. So I might post them one after the other or within a few hours, but within 48 hours you'll have the Q&A. I'm actually gonna go film it now since I'm already here. Love and light, thank you for watching. Comment any questions you have down below. Do like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe because you love it here. You love it here, so why aren't you subscribed? Come on. Hey man, let's go. I'm waiting. Okay, thanks. Bye.